What's going on, guys? You already know what it is. It's your boy Lucky Jones. If you haven't done it already, if you're new to the channel, go hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, push all on the notification bell. That way you won't miss any posts, any shorts that I put up. Today, guys, we are doing a little bit exploring at FDR Park. It's a nice, beautiful park. It's my first time actually really walking around the park. I got a little bit of time today, so I feel as though to give you guys a beautiful scenery. It's nice outside. It's a different environment, something I never brought to the channel. So you guys get to experience it with me. Right now we just walking on the trail. We're gonna take a little walk and get a little bit closer to the little lake, the pond. So we're gonna follow this trail, get a little bit closer, you know what I'm saying? A couple of landmarks over here where you can sit down or, you know, go fishing. There's a couple people over here fishing. But yeah, we're gonna take this walk, take this journey. Just bear with me. I hope everybody's having a beautiful day. I hope that everything is going well. And if not, it'll get better, whatever you guys are going through. All right? Today, I want to just relax. I just want to chill. I don't want no drama. My job tried to stress me out about my money that they owe me. But listen, it looks like we got that taken care of, so I'm not going to dwell on that. I'm just going to, you know, just deal with the situation. I think there's a couple turtles over there. Seen some turtles on the other side that I just was on. Didn't take long to get over here. Got a couple people fishing and all that. We're gonna walk up on this pavilion right here and see what can we see. And there's another pavilion down the way. I'm gonna take that walk over there too. I don't want to talk to you guys too much, but this is a beautiful, peaceful scenery in this park. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. If I got time, we'll probably walk all the way to the other side. Right now, we're just taking a look, vibe, and relax. Yeah, I'm back, guys. Income Lunatics is the channel. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe, and press the all on the notification bells so you will not miss any shorts. If you're just tuning in, guys, I am at FDR Park. It's first time walking through FDR Park. I drove through plenty of times, sat in the car, did a little activities. Got the guys doing some landscaping over here. But yeah, it's a nice day outside. Figure I got some time in between jobs. I'll go take a little walk, a stroll, clear my mind, you know. I do have the view on, it's called double take. So I have the front camera recording and my back camera recording at the same time. I think this is pretty neat that I have a program that can do that, because you guys get to see me while I'm talking, and you get to see what I'm looking at all at the same time, which is amazing. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful park to relax, to chill, to clear your mind. Come one with nature. Look at this. We have a couple people fishing out here. It's a nice park. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. FDR Park, guys. It's a nice place to relax. This is new to me. This is very, very new to me. Let's go walking on the where the loading dock is, what I would call it, where you can pick up or get on the boats. But there's no boats in this pond. This is everybody fishing over here. We're gonna come on out here, check out the water, the lake, closer view. This is where they put the canoes, so forth and so on. This is very, very beautiful out here. Very, very amazing. For me, this is my first time getting to witness all that. Got a couple guys fishing out here. First time viewing this right here. This is pretty decent. Pretty amazing. Guys, get in my comment section and tell me, what do you like about this video today? Tell me, would you come and relax and chill in this park? Anytime I see a park or anytime I see water, I like to come and relax. Maybe because I'm a water sign, I'm a Cancer. It's so peaceful. It's so relaxing. I don't think there's nothing more relaxing than sitting by water on a beautiful day. It's nothing better than sitting by the water on a beautiful day. This is nice. It's real nice. If I had time, I probably would walk around this whole thing. You know what? We're gonna attempt it. I got time, so we're gonna attempt it. So guys, as you just seen where I was at, it was a lake. Call it Edgewood Lake. And exiting the lake area where the boating take place, the canoeing. And we're gonna walk around the park a little bit more to see what we can record. Over there is like a building. It says open. Not sure what that is. I will be exploring this park a lot more to get familiar with it. But in the meantime, in between time, you guys already know the drill. You already know who it is. It's your boy Lucky Jones. Guess what? I'm out. I'll be back. What's up, guys? I'm back. As you can see, I did a little walk around. Let's get a view. We were just over there a few minutes ago. Now we're on the trail, on the path. Fairmount Park. Look at the nice little seating areas. Checker or chess tables. Interesting. Need to take a few pictures out here. This is real beautiful. As you can see over yonder, over yonder, the pavilion that I first went to. I can't zoom in because of this app that I'm using. Double take, you only can see. Whatever you see is what you get. Oh, it's a little area over there. Everybody walking through. Go check that out. Look like you can go right closer to the water, probably. That's exactly what it is. Yeah, let's go check that out. Nice little area. Little hinge. Let's go. This is a nice little journey we're on today. Would you call this a hiking trip? Get in the comment section, guys. Let me know. Would you call this a hiking trip? This is very dope. I enjoy things like this. I enjoy the woods, the nature. How you guys doing?
Good.
How you doing? Oh, wow. You can sit over here. So, guys, maybe I'll take a seat right here. I wanted to catch some shade. It's a lot of blueberries off this tree, so probably not. See if we can find another area. But this is a nice little area to chill and sit at, too. It's really nice. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Peaceful, guys. Be at peace. Come and chill and enjoy nature. This is amazing. And I do have time, so guess what? Guys, I'm going to keep on walking. It's not that far of a walk. I'm pretty sure I can make this whole walk all the way around this pond, lake, whatever it is that you call it. But this is amazing. Amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna take a couple pictures, guys, and you already know. In the meantime, in between time, I'll be back. Hey guys, it's your boy Lucky Jones. Today I'm taking you on a journey through FDR Park. Walking the trail, chilling by the pond, and enjoying nature. Listening to the birds, watching people fish. Just enjoying this peaceful park. And the weather is beautiful today. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful. I don't mind walking around, getting a little bit of exercise. See if you guys can see the lake behind me or on the side of me. Switch the camera view up in a second. But yeah, you already know it's your boy Lucky Jones. I'll be back. Right back. I just wanted to switch the camera around so you guys could get another angle and a better view of what I'm looking at, okay? So, come over here. This is where people do a lot of fishing and things. I should go climb and post up on the tree. That'd be decent too, right? Let's see. Hopefully this ain't too much water or marsh. Yeah, definitely soft up under here. I don't want to go too far and then try to walk away. Fish jumping out the water. Trying to watch my step. I don't want to fall in the water. But yeah, guys, just enjoying nature right now. It's so beautiful out here. So beautiful. I don't want to stay in this location for too long, so we're going to continue to walk around. Give you guys one more glimpse of where I'm at on this tray. Nice spot to chill at right here, though. Guys, I'm getting ready to wrap this up. It's almost time for me to go back to work. So what I want to do is get a couple more shots. Show you guys that was the starting point right there. I'm gonna zoom in for you. That was the starting point. If you can remember in the beginning of the video, the first pavilion I stopped at. We're going to pan to my left, and that's a little bridge I walked over right there. Zoom in on that, and also spin around. That building right there is where the canoes and the boats are held, I believe, because that little landing is where people fishing at, and that's where you can get into a boat. So, like I said, we're gonna finish this walkthrough, and guys, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Turn the camera around, face me. I didn't do too much talking or probably have an interesting conversation because my mind in the frenzy right now. I'm going through a few things. I wanted to talk to my loved ones to get some things off my chest and express my feelings. So this place where I choose to come at the park, it's a perfect place for me to be when I'm feeling away. I can think clearly. I can get my mind straight. Oh, now I remember that side. Sorry, guys. Kind of started thinking about when I came here years ago with my car club or whatever, and I just see the skate park. I remember being on that side over there. But yeah, this is my first time walking through FDR Park around the pond. It will not be my last time. I might make this something I do on the regular. Not every day, but a little more than I do now. So I guess we're gonna finish walking this trail. I'm gonna turn this camera off of me. I know you guys tired of looking at my face. Hopefully I was holding the camera right because I don't have my gimbal. And I'm gonna show you guys some of nature, the wooded area, you know. It's just so nice, it's beautiful. All the greenery, all the trees, the birds chirping, the fish jumping in and out of the water, turtles chilling on the rocks. It's just decent. I like this kind of thing right here. I like nature. Yeah, I don't want to talk too much. I'm gonna just let you guys listen for the last couple of minutes of my video, my vlog. If you're new to the channel, my name is Lucky Jones. I guess I should show my face when I say that. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm Lucky Jones. Ink Pen Lunatics is the channel. Do me a favor if you haven't done it already. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Push all on the notification bell. That way, anytime I shoot a video, anytime I make a vlog, anytime I put up a short, you guys will get it personal. Understand? From me to you. All right? In the meantime, in between time, I'm out.